Alright, good morning, y'all. We are back here at my grandma's house here in the basement, and here's this old LiftMaster garage door opener, 1/2 horsepower. It's got little spider webs on it, and then over here's a push button, which I decided to just leave it normally here. I didn't, just got, it's a little loose, so, yeah, and then there's the sensors. And then one time my grandpa accidentally bumped into it with his truck, so he had to, this is what these things are for. And then this is hooked up to the security alarm, because we have a security alarm now, so if you open the door and the alarms turn on, it will set the alarm off. And there's the spring, there's the release handle, plus this is a chain drive. I don't know where the remote is, so I'm going to try to figure something out. So I can't find the remote. I know it's probably even the truck or somewhere. I don't know where it is. I don't have time to find it, so I got to make this quick. So, alright, and here's a little push button, so I'm going to go ahead and run the door up for y'all here. So, here we go. Now listen to this mode. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, open. The chain does shake a little bit. You know what? Oh, look at it. Maybe I can put my camera right here. Put my camera right here. My camera right here. And I'll go close it and bring it back up. Alright, here we go. Alright, still recording. Yay. I'm gonna demonstrate the sensors real quick. Safety beam sensors. And of course the light blinks. 5. It blinks 10 times. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to put it back down. That's going to be it. Hope you all enjoy. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, down. Alright. Just for the heck of it, we'll run it up one more time. Alright. You don't want to burn the motor out, so I'm not going to run it up too much. There's the chain. Anyway. Alright. And there y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed it. So until then, thanks for watching. And that's it.